Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, where we bring you the most exciting vehicles of tomorrow. Today, in this video, we're diving deep into one of the most talked about luxury EVs of the year, the 2025 Volvo SkyCruiser Elite. At first glance, the SkyCruiser Elite looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it's very real and very ready to redefine the luxury SUV segment. Sleek, aerodynamic, and unmistakably Volvo, it blends futuristic design with the brand's signature, Scandinavian minimalism. From its signature Thor's hammer LED lights to its panoramic smart roof that adjusts tint based on the sun, every inch of this SUV screams innovation. But it's not just about looks. The SkyCruiser Elite delivers serious performance. Powered by a dual-motor electric setup, it produces a massive 550 horsepower, launching from 0 to 60 in just 4.4 seconds. But it's not trying to be a Tesla killer. It's refined, confident, smooth. Volvo's new AirGlide adaptive suspension keeps your ride cloud-like, no matter the road conditions. Inside, it's a sanctuary. The cabin is a beautiful mix of vegan leather, recycled wood accents, and a 16-inch curved OLED display that floats elegantly across the dash. Voice-controlled everything with Volvo's new AI assistant Elva means you barely need to lift a finger. Just say the word, and Elva adjusts your music, temperature, lighting, even your seat massage. Rear passengers aren't left out either. Executive-class lounge seats, individual touchscreens, automatic privacy glass, and built-in aromatherapy make the back seat feel more like a first-class suite. Volvo has taken in-cabin luxury to a whole new level. On the tech front, the SkyCruiser Elite introduces IntelliSafe 360, Volvo's most advanced autonomous system yet. With Highway Pilot engaged, it can manage full-speed highway driving, change lanes, and even handle traffic jams without driver intervention. And of course, it's packed with every safety feature Volvo is known for: collision avoidance, cross-traffic alert, lane centering, and a driver attention monitor. Range anxiety? Not here. You get up to 480 miles on a single charge. And with its 800-volt architecture, you can recharge from 10 to 80% in just 20 minutes using a high-speed charger. That's road trip ready. But what we at Honest Auto Wheels really appreciate is how the SkyCruiser Elite balances its personality. It's futuristic without being over the top, luxurious but not wasteful, powerful yet still calm and composed. It's a vehicle built for those who appreciate innovation with soul. The 2025 Volvo SkyCruiser Elite is expected to hit showrooms later this year, and while the price tag will hover around the premium $100,000 mark, it feels justified when you consider the level of engineering, design, and technology you're getting. If you're looking for a vehicle that offers silent power, futuristic comfort, and a responsible electric footprint, this might just be your next dream car. Thanks for watching Honest Auto Wheels. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest takes on the world's coolest rides, and let us know in the comments, would you take the SkyCruiser Elite over a Tesla Model X or BMW iX? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep driving forward.